children must be hungry.
Grandma, what are you cooking for us today?
Oh, I'm making your favorite stew, little ones. Are you ready to eat, dear?
Hi, Tom. Will you come out to play with us? Oh no! What should we do now? I will tell Mom to buy a new ball tomorrow.
Have you finished playing, dear?
Yes, Grandma, but our ball fell in the river.
No problem, dear. I shall buy you another one. You need to take a shower and change your clothes now.
I enjoyed today. We will get a new ball tomorrow. Grandma, are you cooking rice for us tonight?
You have to get ready to sleep now. You have school tomorrow, dear.
Okay, Grandma. School.
My dear child.
Be good at school, dear.
Okay, Grandma. See you in the evening after school. Have a nice day.